2022 개정 초등영어 김태은 3과 단어 공부 레벨 3 Fun with robots.
I brought my robot kit from home. The robot gave me a chocolate banana.
Can I borrow the VR goggles?
Can I borrow your pen?
Excuse me. Where can I get a drink? I want to drink some juice.
This robot is small, but it's really strong.
Touch this part of the screen.
You can use this controller.
Look. It's a live video.
Let's go see what they're doing over there.
Look. The DJ robot is wearing headphones. This place is so much fun.
What's the problem?
I need to find the restroom. I need to go to the restroom.
This robot can take a picture of us.
That was fun. Let's head out. I'm going to take this robot keychain with me.
I'm hungry. Let's get some food.
Yes, let's get burgers later.
Let's sit here.
2022 개정 초등영어 김태은 3과 단어 공부 레벨 3 응용 스토리였습니다. 구독 눌러주시고 다음 영상도 함께해요. 바이바이.